We have 40 acres in an Amish homestead offered at public auction until Tuesday, June the 29th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is an online-only auction. You can bid now, and you can bid up until Saturday, June the 29th at 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. The open house or property inspection is Saturday, June the 19th from 3 until 5:30 p.m. The homes were Amish built and therefore they have no electricity in the homes. However, they did wire the homes when they were built. The wiring is in the walls, but they did not put in receptacles, nor did they put in breaker boxes. The homes are heated with wood stoves, however they do intend to take the wood stoves with them. And as far as water supply, that is the EJ Water District. There are 2 homes on the farm. This one is a 3-bedroom with a single-car garage. And if you notice in some of the pictures of both of the homes, there is still some work to be done. There's some of the trim that's not finished, some painting needs to be done, some floor coverings. The barn is a concrete block. It does have a cement floor throughout the barn and a large loft on it. The lower level has several stalls, and some of them enclosed and some of them open, and a work area. This home is a 2-bedroom, and it was built with the thoughts that it could eventually be turned into a workshop of some type, such as a woodworking shop or something, after the other home was done. Anyway, if you have any questions about this property, give me a call. I'm auctioneer Wayne Keller, and I can be reached at 800-357-4020.